I'm back at Chestnut Ridge. Today I want to go over the ridge and complete the loop that I didn't do the other day. This trail is blazed in red. It goes up to the ridge and then drops to the Pakalot River. Red blaze turns into black arrow, white background. I'm back at the 3-trail intersection. This is the shorter way to get down to the river. We're going to take the longer way. This next trail is blazed in blue and is a bit more remote than the other trails. I'm now at the top of the ridge on the blue blaze, which takes you down to the Pakalot River. Outside of this blowdown right here that crosses over the trail, obviously very easy passable, there's not much. There's just a little bit of debris, some branches, and a heck of a lot of spider webs. Making my way down to the river. Got my trusty spider web antennas up. Some strong floods came through this area. You can see where all the saplings are just bent over in the direction of the water. A few downed trees across, but very easy access to get over. Good thing I have my poles up to catch the spider webs. I walked through a big one. The spider was quite large. He was attached to my trekking poles, and I got him off safely. I was just covered in really thick spider webs. Last time I was here, I walked through a spider web with the spider, a large one, and he was in the back of my hair. More spider web. And I pulled him out, and man, he was huge. He had to be at least 2 inches across. He was safe too, but it was just really creepy. This sand/mud bar was caused by the waters rushing down the hill behind me, and it piled up here. The tracks that are here are from deer. I don't see any bear. This is one of 3 stream crossings. Usually you don't get your feet wet because you're rock hopping, which I think I can do today. But just seeing how much debris is piled up here, this must have been catastrophic for this area. You can see how high the water came up with the eroded embankment. This is the second of 3 stream crossings. Not going to be able to rock hop this one. Time to get the feet wet. Water's cold. That wasn't bad at all. I'm actually concerned about crossing the Pakalot River. I'm going to find out in a few minutes. I think bear would take refuge from storms inside these little caverns or caves in the bedrock. Yeah, it's a pretty major blowdown. Actually, I see a few more. We'll get through the first one. This area looks like it was hit pretty hard. A massive blowdown across the stream. Definitely some caving as well. some of the banks of this hillside let go, as well as this one. I just can't imagine North Carolina. It appears that there's been a new creek cut through this hillside and exposed this pipe that runs down to the parking lot. Pack-a-Lot River, not nearly as bad as I thought it would be. You could see where the Pack-a-Lot River crested its banks. Back on Purple Blaze, back to the trailhead with some pretty big climbs coming. Some high floodwaters changed this river and dropped all this debris at a curve. Back on trail, heading up the stairs. The stairs. Back to the 3-trail intersection, heading back to the trailhead. So I've hiked all of the popular blazed trails, and there's nothing dangerous. Outside of some blowdowns, everything's passable. So if you get the trail itch, come on out to Chestnut Ridge in upstate South Carolina. Have a nice day.